Welcome to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to make proofs mandatory in investment declarations within the system. Let's get started. To begin, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the list of options, select uKnowva Configuration. This will open the system configuration page. Now, from the left side menu, click on Apps Manager. This page displays all the applications available in your uKnowva HRMS instance. Use the search bar to search for the Investment Declaration app. Once you locate the application, click on it to open its configuration settings. Within the configuration pop-up, locate the Proofs Mandatory setting. If you want employees to upload supporting documents while submitting their investment declarations, set this toggle option to Yes. When enabled, users will be required to submit valid proofs for their declared investments before completing the declaration process. After making the required changes, click on the Save button to apply the configuration. That's it. You now know how to make proofs mandatory in investment declarations in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.